another Epicflows Production.
Epic and Journalist J.
Anything we see
and anything we
feel to say,
news coming your way.
So the long-awaited day has come. Fans, family, friends have been waiting for years and years.
Colleagues, enemies once, now.
Everyone is waiting. We are so excited. I've grown up listening to this words cannot explain this
individual we are speaking of.
Yeah, and now
it's a celebration all around the world, not only Jamaica.
Yeah,
it's a global thing. It's the day we've all been waiting for. It's the day
that Adija, Vybz Kartel, Palmer,
aka the innocent, aka up to the time, aka world boss,
is being released from
prison.
Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog, freedom for my brain. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog, freedom for my brain. Yo, I'm to your order. Man innocent in this now. Think man a showmaker. Yo, lizard. Put your button. In a myself, happy the streets. When me used to walk it, when me used to bleach. Now me get locked up and me can't get feed it. Whole body block up like tar in the street. Steam fish and lobster tail. Them the dish they no serve round here. Inna me bucket full of beer pain. Bunk bed that tougher than concrete and the sponge one change. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain, do a CT scan. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain, every Jew, every judge. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain, want a high grade done. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain. Inna me sell me a still dan dada. Them trafficking me but a me God rather. Coloring book everybody start follow. Now me get so black and me can't make a dollar. Slippers get pop like the Tita Gully Bop. When me shoes there, come my foot to uncover. When me shoes there, come my foot to uncover. Freedom for my brain, freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain. Do a CT scan.
Epic and Journalist J.
Anything we see
and anything we
feel to say,
news coming your way.
We have heard that the Governor General, is going to award him with the Order of Jamaica. You know, but then I think it is in 2020 his son Little Vybz went to the Grammys to collect an award for him.
I think I remember that one.
Yeah, and now this award he himself can go and collect it. Yeah, and persons are saying that he should be awarded the Order of National Hero because Bob Marley, yes, and Louis Bennett has just been granted such award, and they're saying that because he's been in prison and his songs has been still #1 and yet his songs are still coming out for all these 35 years, and it is a mystery.
It's a mystery. How has he remained on top?
Only a year. There have been many that have come and gone, but yet still he has remained, and he has
stayed up to the time, and now it's his time again, once again, to be on the street. Now in 2014, Vybz Kartel released a song, Money Pon My Brain. Do you remember that song?
Yes.
Money Pon My Brain,
yeah.
CT scan. Now in 2035, Vybz Kartel is out and he's singing a different tune. He's now singing Freedom for my brain.
Freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain. Do a CT scan. Freedom for my brain. Freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain. Every Jew, every judge. Freedom for my brain. Freedom for my brain, dog. Freedom for my brain. Want a high grade done.
Epicflows. Always strike epic.
I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner, I'm a prisoner.